Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with my most favorite roadside food kebab and fuchka review. So let's start with the amazing street food, the roadside kebab. Honestly, I was never really a street food person before, but nowadays I don't know why. I just love street food too much. I literally can't stop myself from trying new ones. Anyways, so this kebab is made of chicken and the taste is so good. It's soft, juicy inside and looks super tempting. They also serve it with a roti, which makes it even better. And guess what? They also give a tetul sauce. That sauce is honestly a game changer for this kebab. It added a tangy and spicy kick that makes every bite even more delicious. The kebab costs only 50 taka and the roti 10 taka. Yes, you will find this shop right in front of Rajbari Mart. And now let's talk about my all-time favorite fuchka from Food Park. It's actually my childhood favorite place. Their talk is full of rich flavor. I can't even describe it properly. It's just too tasty. The fuchka shells are crispy and hard, and that extra crunch makes it perfect. If I am not wrong, the price was around 80 taka. Sorry guys, I always forget the extra prices. Anyways, the Food Park is located opposite of Police Super Karjalay, Gazipur, Jodhpur. Thanks for watching and don't forget to follow for more street food reviews.